awardee for the Outstanding Filipino-Chinese Friendship Award. The Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry Incorporated is proud to present the Outstanding Filipino-Chinese Friendship Award to Maria Jessica A. Soho. In recognition of your exemplary dedication and exceptional contributions to journalism and the media, your works have inspired change and upheld the highest standards of journalistic excellence and integrity. The FFCCCII recognizes your distinguished achievements, which brings friendship and understanding between the Filipino-Chinese community. Signed by Dr. Cecilio K. Pedro, President, on this day of 29 January 2025 in Manila, Philippines.
Napakutusan lang po ako ni President Pedro para magsalita raw. This award is special because I'm getting it on my 40th year as a journalist and because it's my very first from the Filipino-Chinese or the Chinoy community. Akala ko po hindi na kami ma-acknowledge. So thank you very much to the FFCCCII, or the Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry. I give back the honor to my Chinese grandfathers who crossed the seas from Guangdong province in China around 90 years ago to try and make it here. How I wish that one of them is here tonight. Because this recognition or this award is for them too. To the Chinese community and to the FFCCCI, thank you again for this and for all the good things that you do. Thank you for setting a good example for the generations to come. To live, work hard, but live simple and frugal lives, and yet ever so generous to help others in need. Happy Chinese New Year to everyone. May the Lunar New Year bring you not only prosperity, but better health, more happy memories, and more love. Mabuhay po kayo.